Hi, my name is Justin Feagans. I'm a student at Chattahoochee Tech, and this video is for my CIST 2931 Advanced Systems project. We started off with this database here. I made this in Microsoft Access, and we separated the data that we were going to use for the website into 3 tables. The website was for a basically pizza business, and we did like a Pixar themed Pizza Planet website. And one of the things that we found was a menu that was online, and basically this was all created off of the menu that we found. We could have created our own, but I didn't have like an iPad to do like art and stuff on it, so it was just convenient. Anyway, so we have these menu items numbered, which is the primary key for exchanging information between this database and the website. And then the next one, we have employees, which I basically just created the same thing. The primary key is the employee ID, and all of the data is just characters that were in the movie. And these, I think this is just the address is all the same just because it was like Pixar's address, so I put that in there just to fill the area. And the customers are all the actors that played the characters in Toy Story. So from here, I started working on the objects that were written in Java, and these were the things that I started. So the way the customer object works is you create these global variables here, and they then you create the customer object, or that's actually a new order. So that was probably for another part, but then you assign null values to all of these, and then we had these methods were all similarly constructed from the Java 2 Chat Bank project and the Java 3 My Dental Care Associates project. So this is the constructor method, and it takes all these variables in and assigns them to whatever data is being passed to it from the database. And then this is the set and get methods that exchange that data. I was having some problems with this for a long time, and I never did actually get this working, which is why I didn't have much to contribute towards the last end of the last half of the project. But I think there was a problem with my OneDrive being full, and I was going to buy more storage, but I didn't know if that would even help it. So I tried moving stuff around and just doing it on my local drive, and that didn't work. So, but this code is right because there were people in my project that got it working on their computer. So I never did figure out what the problem was with that. Anyways, so this is just where the Java database connects, and it exchanges all of that data. And there was another Java file for the employee, and it basically works the same thing as the customer file and order in Java. And let's see here, and this is basically what the website looked like. Oh, there it is right there. We can run that. So this is what it looks like. And we had it so that these were the menu items, um, and you have drinks. There was a lot of good pictures, and then the login screen. This is where Kim uh, built this, and the navigation panel. And I never did get it working on my computer, but they did on theirs, so that works. And we started the sign up page too, which was similar to the login areas, where it just basically inserts the data into the database. And that's pretty much all that I have on my end. There was things that were added. Let's see if I can bring up our Discord. We communicated with each other through Discord, and we also exchanged um, files over GitHub. But so this is also here's our chat. This is some of the final things that happened that were changed was the menu items, and the cart page got some stuff changed. Okay. There was the order information. The table's still working. Now they can change the status of the order. So that was for the orders. And that's an example of like an order that's being processed. Anyways, that's pretty much how the website went. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello, my name is John Boone, and this is our web systems project. On our index page, we have the menu. I did not create the menu, someone else in my group did. So at the very top, you try our new pizza. Below, you can create your own pizza. Below, you have the specialty pizza, your drinks, the sides, also the salad. You cannot order off this page, but this gives you a rough idea of what we have. So what I'm going to go over is the FAQ. So the FAQ consists of 5 questions our customer asks. So number 1, how do I track my pizza order? You can track your order online, or if you're having trouble with the website, you can always give us a call. Number 2, are there any deals? We change our deals monthly. You can check our website or call us. Can my delivery driver do contactless delivery? Yes, safety comes first when serving the people. Can I modify, cancel my order online? You can modify or cancel your order by calling the store. You can also modify or cancel your order by signing in online. Thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is Travis Stanley. I'm working on the project number 1 for our advanced systems project. I am kind of just going to go over our sign up pages and things like that. I didn't work on any of these. I worked on the order forms and things like that. So I'm just kind of covering this because one of my other classmates wants to cover that part. So that's totally fine. Just gonna be covering signing in, changing your information, our sign up page, things like that, and our index page, obviously. So we went with Pizza Planet Rep. We went with Pizza Planet. We just decided one day that it would be really cute and fun. So, yeah, we started doing kind of a Pizza Planet theme, and this was all done by Justin right here at the top. Looks amazing. Very, very, very nice. And all this was done by Kimora. It's kind of just a menu to show you what's here. You can't necessarily order on this page. It's just like here is what we have. If you even want to order here, obviously you could call and order, but like we have an order form, so like why wouldn't you just use that? But yeah, it's just kind of here just to show you here's what we have. So we also have customer logins, things like that, obviously. We'll do sign as Tom Hanks. and his thing is 1, and T Hanks. I think I messed up the password. T Hanks 1 2 3 4. Okay. And you can see all of his information right here. And if he had any orders, he would have any order, or his orders would show up right here. So you can see his name, ID, address, all that stuff. And we can change all of his information. We can change his name to Thomas Hanks. And we can change the last number of his phone number to 3. And you can see all of his change right here. And we're going to change that back just so nobody gets super confused, just in case. So yeah, then we can log out successfully. All right, cool. And once we log out, we can go ahead and try the employee sign in. Let's sign in as an employee. We'll sign in with 1, and I think it says Woody. It seems as though I was wrong. Let's see. It will be. I think I did it right. I think I just might have typed something wrong. There we go. You can see Woody right here, his name, employee ID, all this stuff. And you can see any orders that Woody would have right here. Like I said, Kimora will be covering the orders and things like that. So I'm not going to be covering that right now. And we can go ahead and sign up. So let's say that I've done Olaf a few times now. So let's do Olaf, the snowman. And we'll make his email and his number, his birthday. I don't know all these things actually. We'll make him live in Woodstock. He can't freeze anyways. And Olaf rules, and his movie role was Olaf. Create the account. Account got registered. Sweet. We go in. We put in the username. The password is Olaf rules, and we can see all of our information right here. And if I had any orders, it's here right here. Overall, had a really, really, really good time with the project. I learned so much. I had some really good classmates. So I just kind of wanted to make this video kind of explaining kind of how our functions work across the logins and things like that. So hopefully this was helpful. And yeah, good luck to Brooke for editing.
Hello everybody, my name is Kimora Baily, and I'm going to show you the order form of our project. And if you go over to our order now, it will go ahead and take you to the guest order form. So if you look here, our order ID, it will be guest. Our customer ID will be guest as well. For employee, you get to choose whichever employee you want to handle your order. So I'm going to choose Mr. Potato Head because I like potatoes. So if we go ahead, we get to choose our order. Get to choose a personal pizza, a specialty large pizza, a beverage, a larger beverage. Definitely getting a cinnamon pizza and chicken Alfredo. And I think we're just going to call it a day. Okay, we'll just add mozzarella sticks. And then we're going to call it a day. So if we go ahead and submit that, it will say order submitted. And we can go ahead and see the proof in just a minute. I'm going to refresh my database. And as you can see here, it'll say it right here. Order ID guest. We chose Mr. Potato Head and our food we ordered. And the numbers in the food is associated with the one in our menu. So for like one, I know I chose the pizza. So there we go. Create your own pizza, the personal. And so now that we know how the guest order form works, we can go ahead and do our customer order form. So we're going to choose Tom Hanks account, take the order, log in, go to our order now. and then we go ahead and fill out the form. I decided to be a little creative and decided to let the customer decide what to name their order ID. Like, you know how they go at Starbucks, you get to assign a name to your order. I decided to let them do that because I thought it would be, a little quirky. So we're just going to go ahead and, I don't know, choose a random word like butter. And then our customer ID is assigned. It's 1. Then we choose the employee. I'm going to choose ham hogs because I think piggies are very nice. And yeah, go town with that order form. Boom, pow, go crazy. Get a little mojo, get a little cheese bread. And we're going to submit that. And then boom, order submitted. Then I go ahead and refresh my database. And then you'll see it right here, butter. And all the orders and everything. And I'm pretty sure if we go to our customer info, it'll show our order. And the employee side will go ahead and see, change the order. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'll go ahead, we log in as ham hog. We're going to log as a ham hog. Type in his information. And then you'll see the order right here. Yeah, the order will be the same. The only thing that will be changed is the status. And we're going to go ahead and it'll just say that it was delivered. And we click the update button. And it'll say the order's been updated. And so we're going to get that real-time action. I'm going to go ahead and refresh it. And there you go right there. It'll say delivered. And then we'll go back to the orders. Go ahead. It'll say the status is changed as well. So the information. And we go ahead and log out. And we sign back into the customer login. And let me see here. Go ahead, log back in. And then it will say it right here. Butter delivered. And that concludes my presentation. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.